Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, has issued an advisory on 20th of March 2020 advising all the employers of public and private establishments that all employees and workers may be deemed to be on duty in case place of employment is made non-operational due to outbreak of COVID-19. Now, Government of India has also advised to all the private and public enterprises not to terminate, I'll repeat, not to terminate their employees including casual and contract workers from the jobs, and also not to reduce or deduct their wages for the period if the employees take quarantine leave. Now, in addition, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India has issued an order on 29th of March 2020 directing the state authorities to take necessary actions to ensure that all the employers, be it in the industry or in the shops and commercial establishments, shall make payment of wages to their workers, including temporary or contractual, at their workplace on the due date without any deduction for the period their establishments are under closure during the lockdown. However, in case of unavoidable situations, companies are advised to follow the advisory, approach appropriate authorities, and seek their permission as per provisions of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 and act accordingly. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.